Hey guys, gonna do a quick overview on the Husky Build Out that Home Depot sells. This is a new Husky set. I think their old one was the Husky Connect. This is the 3-box kit that I got from Home Depot. It was priced at $155 for all three. We're gonna start off on the top box. The top lid won't stay open without the handle. Down. I'm gonna set that down. These accessories were purchased separately. They were not included. They mount onto the side, and they have these mounting areas all the way around both sides, as well as the front of the bottom two boxes. Now the latches here are pretty interesting. When you lift up on the box, it's a 2-latch system, so the one latch releases, and then when you push the box down, the lower latch clips in. Here's a close-up on how the latch system works. So as you pull up on the box, it just releases. And then when you put it back on, just give it a push and it's latched on. Going to the second box, it's going to be the same length and width but different height as the first box. It comes with this, can be put on either side. Plenty of room in there for tools. Here's the Milwaukee 1/2 inch just for size reference. Here's a close-up on the latches. Now this is the main box. This one's the biggest of the three. Plenty of room inside, very deep. Now the biggest difference I've seen from the competitors would be how the handle releases, which allows this box to fit in a pickup truck with the bed cover on. The wheels seem very sturdy, they're all plastic, but definitely good build quality. If you guys liked the video and want to see more, please like and subscribe.